So we have a super awesome thing, which is instant inventory. And now we can allocate the funds to the vendor properly and balance our till and everything. So if you have a customer that is checkboxed vendor, like this customer here, we could come back into Pawn OS and, depending where we're doing this, we'll start with just a create instant inventory. We can select vendor source or any source for that matter, vendor, and then the vendors would pop up here that are available. Let's say we have a vendor cost of $100 on this item, test item, which is called August. So we'll see in a minute. How do we pay the vendor? Do we pay him cash? Yeah, let's just say we paid cash. Now we're going to create that item. It's going to print everything right off. It'll pop up the tags and all of those things. And then it'll balance our till, and our till that we're logged into will drop by $100. So we can do the same thing. Let's do it again. And we're going to go into vendor again. We'll set to $200, and let's do another August number 2 here. And we'll do the payment mode as check. Cool. You can do split payments too, which you probably already know by now. Go ahead and type that in. And then we should see the till balance the check. So let's just see if the check's in there. Look at that, $200. So it balanced all of our till, it set up a transaction, and that is vendor purchasing. And then it moves into inventory. The tags again would print off or pop up for you, but they would be right here. There they are, ready to print. So another way you might do it is just create a buy. Actually, create a sale. Let's say we're doing a sale and we have some stuff from a vendor and we haven't inventoried it yet. This is really unique to us and it's super awesome and efficient. We can go add instant inventory, the source is a vendor. Let's say, again, Sam here. Let's do a $50 cost. We'll call this number August 3. And we paid the vendor 50, so it's going to drop by 50. This will create the inventory item for you and allocate the cost and balance your till. If you don't complete the transaction, it's actually going to void the whole thing out. So if you don't finish it, that inventory will void, which is super cool. There we go. And that should balance the buy against the vendor, balance our cost of goods, and then we can finish the sale. And let's go ahead and do that. And that's how you can do instant inventory from vendors and allocate it. Very, very efficient workflow process, which is what Pawn OS is about. We will see you in the next one. Awesome release today. And thanks for the feedback from you guys, which is why we did this one.